Hey, thanks for stopping by to check out our channel today. What we're doing today is we're going to do soil test in the garden, and the reason why we do this is you need to be able to check your soil, the acidity of it, and you want to see if you're alkaline, neutral, or if you're acidic, and that's going to give you an idea of what you need to add to the soil in order to fix it. So we got one of these little soil testers inside of a kit, and you can get this at any home and garden store. You're going to have a little dropper that you'll fill with water. It'll come with the package we have. It had 10 of these little capsules, and it's going to have a little container like this. You're going to take the top off, and it's going to have two chambers. The only chamber you're going to use is actually this small one right here. And you want to see if you can zoom in on that? You can see. It's going to show all the different levels of the different colors, and what the soil is going to be reading is going to be matched up here with the colors, and that'll give you a reading what it is. So we're going to do this real quick. We've already just took a little water bottle and this dropper. We drew some water out, so we got a little bit of water. And there's going to be a line that's going to tell you right here, fill up to this little bottom with soil. And we're doing quite a large field today, but this could be done just the exact same way in your garden at the house, any place you want to test the soil. So we got about, let's see, we'll knock off a little bit of that soil. So a little bit of soil, then you're going to fill up the water up to this line here. And you might not be able to see that right now because it's kind of small, but let's see. Put this thing down here. Draw a little bit more out, and all we're trying to do is get to this line that's going to be right about right here. So a little bit more. Wow. That little dropper, I might just pour that whole bottle of water in there. Little dropper doesn't quite get you all the way to the top, but here's the idea. You get it up to about that level right there. I'm gonna take the capsule and see, we'll open the capsule. So make sure we've got all that in there. See, there's a little bit of it. Be able to zoom in on that. A little bit of powder. Okay, so again, that goes into the small side right there. All right, you got the cap. You can go ahead and cap it and shake it, but we're just going to use the old finger. So give it a shake, shake, shake. Now we're taking right from the area that we're going to be planting, and we're going to do 5 tests in this particular field to get an idea of what our soil is, and then we'll know how to address whatever issue it is that we need to address. So, little shake. Shake, shake. You can do the And now what we're doing is we're looking to see what color we're going to go to here. And already I'm seeing here.
Tilt it forward a little bit. There you go. Right there.
All right, so can we zoom in there and you can see where we're at? All right, can you see where we're at now? When you look over here, you'll see a bunch of different colors. And you want me to look up, you want me to bring it closer to the cam there?
No, just tilt the top forward slightly.
Right.
We're seeing an orangish brown.
Okay. So can you see all the different colors? Now, right now I'm looking there and it looks brown. So if you look to the brown, the pH is going to be slightly acidic. It's about 6.5 right now. So it'd be really ideal if we added a little bit of lime to this. That's going to help us to bring it up a little bit to 7.0, which is going to be neutral. We're going to grow something sort of like cucumbers. And that's going to be what we're shooting for. So we will end up adding some lime to this, and that should work great. So I hope this tip helped you out. This is a really easy thing to do. If you don't have your soil right, you're just not going to be able to grow as well in your garden. So it's a simple fix. If you know, we're not getting into all the details as far as how to fix that soil, but any garden center that you might go to, they'll be able to tell you exactly how much you're going to need based on the square footage that you have. And so what we're going to do is we've got a little drawing of the field. We're going to do 5 tests in one field, 5 in the other, at different places in the garden. We'll notate it all, and then we'll know exactly throughout the field what we're going to be dealing with soil. And you can test that throughout the year as the season goes on, as the growing season goes, and make sure that your plants are be able to optimize all the ingredients by having the pH right. So have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you soon.